issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Paulding County in northwestern Georgia, northeastern Haralson County in northwestern Georgia, northwestern Cobb County in north-central Georgia, eastern Polk County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Bartow County in northwestern Georgia, until 8:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Draketown, or 10 miles northeast of Buchanan, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Cartersville, Dallas, Ackworth, Rockmart, Hiram, Emerson, Aragon, Braswell, Taylorsville, Yorkville, Burnt Hickory Ridge, Eubank Lake, Lost Mountain Park, Van Wert, Crossroads, Stylesboro, and New Hope. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carroll County in northwestern Georgia, southwestern Douglas County in north-central Georgia, northwestern Hood County in west-central Georgia, northwestern Toledo County in west-central Georgia, southwestern Fulton County in north-central Georgia, until eastern Georgia and eastern Daylight Time. At 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over northwestern Toledo County in west-central Georgia, moving at 60 miles per hour. North-central Georgia until 8:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Quarter-size hail. At 7:40 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carrollton, Palmetto, Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Byers Crossroads, Hannah and Armco Sargent. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Fairplay, Dunaway Gardens, Clem, John Tanner State Park, Blackjack Mountain, Madras, Byers Crossroads, Hannah and Armco Sargent. 34466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. Threat of severe weather. Toll free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.